Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on GRT. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that GRT first broke out a very big and long-term down channel, then formed another up channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video. And I was also showing you another breakout from another down channel that was, by the way, broken out on a daily time frame chart. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this was a smaller down channel. By the way, it was also a quite long-term, but smaller than the previous channels. You can see that since after the month of Feb 2024 up till here, up till the month of up to the first week of November 2024, it has been moving inside this channel. And after getting bound from the support of the bigger up channel, the price then broke out the resistance of the smaller down channel. Now, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we have found another support and resistance. This is the newly found resistance here. You can see that we got stable reactions. And here we have this up trend line support. And you can see that on this 4-hour time frame chart, GRT has formed this rising wedge pattern. And now the movement is getting squeezed inside this wedge. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again these previous breakouts from this big down channel, and we will also take a look at this bigger up channel. By the way, this up channel is not broken out so far. We have just taken a bounce from the support and moving towards the resistance. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GRT that I shared a few days ago on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 64% very big pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GRT that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal. That move that the GRT formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that after the completion of the final leg, the price line was moved slightly up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to move down, and after some price correction, we can buy it from this buying zone. And this was a complete trade signal, by the way, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped down and re-enter the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal. And so far, it has rallied almost 64%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GRT, and this is a 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several hours or days, it is moving inside this rising wedge pattern. In fact, from 12th of November 2024, it is moving inside this wedge and nicely forming higher highs and higher lows. But the movement is getting squeezed inside this bear. Therefore, at any time it can break this pattern. You can see that the movement is quite squeezed now. Therefore, soon we can expect that the pricing can break this pattern to the upside or to the downside. For example, if the pricing breaks it down, then technical target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 16.5 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this wedge, the technical target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at 48.5 cents. But in my opinion, after the breakout from this wedge, the pricing can also hit this long-term resistance of 55 cents as well. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that previously it was moving inside this down channel for the past several weeks or months and broke it out. Then we had a nice pump. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is about to be here at the top of the channel at 48.5 cents, almost at the same level where we have the target for the breakout from this wedge. And then we have this long-term resistance of 55 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here this 55 cents resistance will be more visible. You can see that previously this 55 cents has been working as a very, very strong support here. Resistance here, not the support. We got rejection here. Before that, for almost 2 weeks, the price then got rejected here. And before that, it was working as support here and almost as support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price and slightly higher than this resistance. We have the resistance of this bigger up channel. And the resistance of this up channel is, by the way, approximately at 68 cents or 69 cents. And for example, if the price then breaks out this up channel, then technical target for the breakout from this up channel For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target can be approximately at $2.80. That is very close to the target for the breakout from this channel that is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.